This is a review for the Xikezan beard kit, and it's for beard care and growth. First of all, I will say that I love the packaging and how it is presented. I think this would make a really nice Father's Day gift or gift for someone's birthday. It has in here one of those travel bags, so he can use that if he's on vacation or traveling somewhere. It comes with this beard kit manual so that you can see what each thing is used for, so you won't have to guess. Okay, and it has a list of all the supplies that came in the box. So looking in, once again, I will say I really love the packaging. There's a comb and a brush. They look very good quality. Might be solid wood or bamboo. They're very nice quality. This is the beard oil, soften and smooth, and it comes with 2 of those. It's in a glass bottle and it comes with a dropper. And then it also comes with the beard conditioner, nourish and moisturizing. It comes with the beard cleanser. So this is the beard wash. It has the scissors that are small for the beard size, and it also has this beard balm, and it comes in this aluminum tin. It's very nice packaging, I will say that. It looks like pretty good ingredients. So I will say that I actually bought this for my husband as a gift. Oh, I actually forgot. This one is a beard roller. It's supposed to promote the growth. So we haven't seen the results of that yet, but we'll see what happens. So overall, I think it's a pretty good kit. My husband loves it. He actually wants me to buy him several more. I like that each bottle is only about 2 ounces, so he could take this straight on the plane if he wanted to, if he was traveling somewhere. I would definitely give it a 10 out of 10 as far as if you need a gift to give to a man in your life and you don't know what to get him a beard kit. And even if he doesn't have a beard yet, this will actually help to stimulate the growth, this whole kit. So overall, I really like it, and we would definitely buy it again. Thanks so much for watching.